Today let's talk about how I created Walmart. I'm so glad that I eventually created this iconic company. It all started in 1945 when I was working as a manager at JCPenney. I was frustrated with the way that the company was run, and I knew that I could do better. So, I decided to start my own company. I called it Walton Enterprises, and we started out selling Ben Franklin variety stores. We were successful, but I knew that I could do even better. I wanted to create a store that was different from anything else out there. I wanted to create a store that was low cost, but that also offered high-quality products. In 1962, I opened the first Walmart store in Rogers, Arkansas. The store was a hit, and we quickly expanded to other parts of the country. We faced a lot of challenges along the way. One of the biggest challenges was that we were competing against much larger companies. But we were able to overcome this challenge by offering lower prices and better customer service. Another challenge was that we were often met with resistance from local businesses. But we were able to overcome this challenge by being good neighbors and by offering our products at a fair price. One of the early successes that helped to drive and motivate me was when we opened our 100th store. It was a huge milestone, and it showed us that we were on the right track. Another early success was when we were named the most admired retailer by Fortune magazine. This recognition gave us a lot of credibility, and it helped us to attract even more customers. Walmart has come a long way since I started it in 1962. Today, we are the world's largest retailer, and we employ over 2 million people. We are proud of what we have accomplished, and we are committed to continuing to provide our customers with the best possible shopping experience. If you are thinking about starting your own company, I would offer you the following advice: be passionate about your business. If you're not passionate about what you're doing, it will be very difficult to succeed. Be willing to work hard. Starting a business is a lot of work, and there will be many challenges along the way. But if you're willing to put in the hard work, you will be more likely to succeed. Be persistent. There will be times when you want to give up, but if you're persistent, you will eventually achieve your goals. I hope this advice is helpful. If you have any other questions, please don't ask. Some additional details about the struggles that Sam Walton faced during the creation of Walmart: competition from larger companies. Walmart faced a lot of competition from larger companies, such as Kmart and Sears. These companies had more resources and were able to offer lower prices. Resistance from local businesses. Walmart was often met with resistance from local businesses. These businesses were worried that Walmart would drive them out of business. Lack of experience. Sam Walton had no prior experience in the retail industry. He had to learn everything from scratch. How Sam Walton overcame these struggles. Walmart offered lower prices. Walmart was able to offer lower prices by cutting costs and by negotiating better deals with suppliers. Walmart provided good customer service. Walmart focused on providing good customer service. This helped to differentiate Walmart from its competitors. Walmart was a good neighbor. Walmart was a good neighbor to the communities where it opened stores. This helped to build goodwill and to reduce resistance from local businesses. Some of the early successes that helped to drive and motivate Sam Walton. Walmart's first store was a hit. The first Walmart store was a hit. It was so successful that Sam Walton was able to open more stores. Walmart was named the most admired retailer by Fortune magazine. This recognition gave Walmart a lot of credibility and helped to attract even more customers. Advice for starting your own company: be passionate about your business. If you're not passionate about what you're doing, it will be very difficult to succeed. Be willing to work hard. Starting a business is a lot of work, and there will be many challenges along the way. But if you're willing to put in the hard work, you will be more likely to succeed. Be persistent. Persistence was a key attribute that Sam Walton embodied throughout his journey with Walmart. He encountered numerous obstacles, but he never gave up. When faced with resistance from local businesses, he remained determined to prove that Walmart could coexist and bring value to the community. Sam Walton constantly sought ways to improve, learn, and adapt. He embraced failure as a stepping stone to success, never losing sight of his vision. As Walmart continued to grow, Sam Walton remained focused on delivering value to customers. He understood the importance of staying ahead of the competition and consistently providing the best shopping experience. This led to the introduction of innovative practices and technologies within Walmart stores, such as advanced inventory management systems and efficient supply chain logistics. With each passing year, Walmart expanded its reach across the United States and eventually ventured into international markets. Sam Walton's philosophy of offering affordable prices, coupled with high-quality products, resonated with customers worldwide. The company's commitment to efficiency and economies of scale allowed them to drive prices down and pass on savings to their loyal shoppers. Despite his immense success, Sam Walton never lost sight of his humble beginnings. He remained deeply connected to his employees, often mingling with them on the shop floor and fostering a culture of inclusivity and shared success. Walmart's success was built on the dedication and hard work of its employees, whom Sam Walton valued as the driving force behind the company's achievements. Today, Walmart stands as a testament to Sam Walton's vision and entrepreneurial spirit. It has grown into a global retail giant, serving millions of customers daily. The company's impact extends beyond the products on its shelves. Through initiatives such as sustainability efforts, philanthropic endeavors, and community engagement, Walmart continues to shape the retail landscape while maintaining its commitment to making a positive difference in the world. Sam Walton's journey with Walmart serves as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs. His story highlights the importance of unwavering dedication, the ability to adapt to changing times, and the value of putting customers and employees at the heart of the business. By following in his footsteps and embodying his core principles, entrepreneurs can strive to build their own remarkable success stories, driven by innovation, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. As Walmart continued to expand, Sam Walton recognized the power of leveraging technology to enhance the customer experience. Under his guidance, the company embraced advancements in retail technology, implementing systems such as barcode scanning, electronic data interchange, and point-of-sale systems. These technological innovations not only streamlined operations but also improved inventory management, pricing accuracy, and overall efficiency. To further strengthen Walmart's competitive edge, Sam Walton fostered a culture of continuous improvement and innovation within the company. He encouraged his employees to think creatively, challenge the status quo, and find new ways to deliver value to customers. This emphasis on innovation led to the introduction of Walmart Supercenters, which combined general merchandise with a full-scale grocery store, offering customers a one-stop shopping experience. It was yet another testament to Sam Walton's forward-thinking mindset. In addition to its growth and innovation, Walmart's commitment to philanthropy and social responsibility became a cornerstone of the company. Sam Walton believed in giving back to the communities that supported Walmart's success. The Walmart Foundation was established to support various charitable initiatives, focusing on areas such as education, environmental sustainability, and fighting hunger. This commitment to making a positive impact on society has remained a fundamental aspect of Walmart's identity, solidifying its reputation as a socially conscious and community-minded corporation. The story of Sam Walton and Walmart exemplifies the transformative power of entrepreneurial vision, perseverance, and dedication to providing value to customers. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global retail powerhouse, Walmart's journey is a testament to the immense impact that one individual's determination and innovative spirit can have on shaping the business landscape. Sam Walton's legacy lives on as Walmart continues to evolve, adapt, and innovate, carrying forward his values and commitment to creating a better future for customers, employees, and communities alike.